It only took a few days, and already the rare election year search for a Supreme Court nominee has turned into a political battle. KSL News specialist Lad Egan joins us live from the newsroom to examine what the next couple of months could bring. Hey, Lad.
Hi there. Well, besides the political debate over the nomination process, Scalia's death also opens up the possibility for something the High Court dislikes very much, an even number of judges, which could lead to tie decisions.
There's a very, very good chance that we'll have some important cases that won't be decided because we can't get a majority of the court to make that decision.
Attorney Greg Skordas says the death of Justice Antonin Scalia most definitely affects upcoming Supreme Court cases covering divisive issues like abortion, affirmative action, immigration, and unions.
Or if it's a case where it's clear that they're not going to have a majority, they could stand down and say, look, we're going to wait until we have a ninth member, which could be a very, very long time from now.
The whole issue of who gets to be on the court will become a political football in the campaign.
BYU political science professor Richard Davis has authored a book about the Supreme Court nomination process, which he says could be tarnished if the hearings coincide with the frenzy of this year's presidential campaign.
I don't think the image is helped by a process that looks very partisan, sort of nakedly political.
While Republicans argue that it should be the winner of this fall's election who gets to pick the nominee, political observers say President Obama will nominate someone and will do it quickly.
The longer he waits to nominate, the more ammunition he gives to the Republicans that we don't have time.
So I think we're going to have this fight, at least, whether it's won or lost, heard fairly quickly.
For Obama, the clock is ticking. The sooner he picks a name, the longer he has to try to force the Republican-led Senate to hold a vote. Either way, Ashley, one thing became clear today. The nomination of the new justice is now part of the 2016 presidential election. Back to you.
All right, news specialist Lad Egan in the newsroom for us. Thank you so much. Mike?